Good evening, everyone. This is I am Ali, and this is my new channel in which I will cover all the basic to the advanced topic of economics. This is my first video, and I have selected first topic, which is law of demand, which is related to the microeconomics. This law talks about the relationship between the price and quantity demanded. So this law of demand explains that there is an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. So what is the inverse and what is the quantity demanded? So for instance, we have an example of, let's suppose these are the prices and this is the quantity demanded. When our price is $50, the quantity demand is 1000, and if the price decrease to the $40, the quantity demand increase to the 2000. It may have many reasons. For instance, in starting, some consumer were not willing to purchase on $50, or may are not affordable for them. So if the price decrease, more consumer are willing to purchase that product. So as the price is decreasing, we can see that quantity demand is increasing from 3000, 4000 to the 5000. So to understand more about this example, let's put these values on graph. For example, we have price on y-axis and quantity demand on x-axis, and initially we have $50, and on that situation we have quantity demand of 1000. At the $40 we have quantity demand of 2000. On the price of $30, the quantity demand is 3000. Similarly, on the $10, the quantity demand is 5000. So this is we can see this is the inverse relationship, which is shown from these values. So we can, if we put these intercepts on one graph, that graph will be known as the demand curve, because this demand curve is actually showing the relationship of quantity demand is inverse. So this is all about price and quantity demand. So what about other than prices? Because there are some more factors which actually affect the quantity demand. So for instance, we have some most common example and factors which actually shift the quantity demand. These are, number one is taste. For example, we take example of ice cream. So if the taste of ice cream increase, our demand curve is, for example, is D1 in initial. As the taste increase, the quantity demand will also increase, and the demand curve also shift from D1 to D3. And if the taste decrease, the quantity demand will decrease from here to here. Another example is number of consumer. If the number of consumer